Hello Tech Genius, I am Ravi. Have you ever imagined a place where learning is as dynamic as the technology shaping your world? Then here's a deal. With iMatix, you can make sure the learning is exciting, impactful right from the beginning. You have interactive sessions with expert-led courses. In the world of tech, from data science to cloud computing, it's not just about a session, it's about doing, building, learning by solving real problems. So let's get started. Let us from another small recap in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Salesforce Marketing Cloud, it is used for making automation and customer engagement. It's a marketing automation tool and it is a different version. This is the area benefits. Tell me. As I said, I want to know the meaning of engagement like in terms of SFMC. In terms of engagement means the things in a business. Think about any business. Maybe business have some customers and customers are. First things a business, they try to suppose I am a social influencer today, is it? Lots of people are doing branding and social influencer what they're doing, but they are spreading their videos, short clips, reels in social media. It is trying to connect the people and then they are. Anyway, they're doing this small. When you have noticed today a 9 rupees registration or a 100 rupees registration to get the connection is a part connection. And then they are bringing in a seminar or a winner and they are then the influencer. They're trying to convince their services or products. And again they're going to next level of engagement that then they are making a customers. From it is a who is not connected, and from that point of view and gradually it's a connect and engage with the services. And then your customers is repeatedly pursuing the surface is a return customer. A customer is get engaged. The things is first of all you think about in a Amazon Flipkart. You may be here first time, but then someone recommended it is a good. Rather than going to physical, you can get lots of options. Then you can purchase, then again repeatedly, you are purchasing the things. It is a continuously, you are getting engaged. Enter this a cycle, how you got connected, how it is getting recommended. In that process is called engagement. Am I able to clear the tension of customers? Yes. Its engagement and also its retention is also a part, because hard to bring the customers. Many people are able to open LinkedIn, many branding person social media that they're doing posting images, what or why? To draw your attention. Then you are writing some comments. Then their writing come to my inbox. Then getting attention of customers like this. Yes, it is a first day. It's called leads. First, it's a social media. Or the general leads means they're not customer. Then leads convert to prospect. Prospect, who are the probable customer, who are going to be customers. Suppose you are getting 100 leads, not 100%. They can just hear it. But then some person trying to communicate, it becomes the prospect. Then some person, they purchase your products. Then they become the customers. Enter these cycles and where it is started. It is starting. Because of that, you have to engage through marketing. Here the SFMC marketing tool. Earlier days it happened lots of manual process, but now it is a more and more automated process. The marketing tools, it is a pioneer tool. It makes the more efficient and robust way through the entire process. Am I able to clear? Like through SMC, we can maintain custom, like we can get the customers, and after getting the customers, we can maintain customers also. For the things, for both the prospect is we can use SMC. And again, if you notice in your Gmail, when your primary inbox go to your promotion, social update, many section you'll be getting every day, you are getting lots of email. How you are getting the mail? Because even which are the company you never connected, you are getting their mail from their MI. How it is anyhow in your social presence, in your which area you are moving. What is your food habits? What is your character? What is your, from that way data is getting collected. Even it is tracked by the some companies. Even without your unknowing, knowing your unknowing, then you are getting the data and they are trying to provoke you. The moment you notice something is exciting, you're connecting them. Enter, you become, you are clicking the subscriber. There is option, you can subscribe, you can unsubscribe also. This entire this process, making it is a physically next to impossible. It becomes the expert support of the tools. Here, acceptance is the most of the robust and efficient rich tool and for this business automation. Got it? Thank you. Here benefits Salesforce Marketing Cloud data management, integration capabilities, property applications, applications of today's age, and everywhere all human means we are. We cannot avoid AI. Is everywhere. To make the things faster, to write content faster. Everywhere there is a AI is there. This is the one of the primary services. Just it is the second session, that is the reason we are going to repeat, and also yesterday not able to showcase the tools. How we can do in the Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Marketing Cloud, it is a feature-rich platform which has a capability to a cross-marketing domain. This is customer or subscriber engagement in real time because it is a every many websites you would be noticed at the below do a subscriber. They force you accept all cookies. Accept all cookies mean they're capturing your some data, not your privacy data, which is illegal, but they're capturing some data from your system. And they are getting your data, but you are bound to equal the moment you are loading any app in your mobile from Play Store. You have to accept, you have too many websites. It will first time open, you have to accept all cookies. The purpose of the cookie is to capture some data of your system. And it's a reflex while you are moving those data, and they try to make you subscriber of their products. Here SFMC tool, it customer subscriber engagement in real time. It's the email service, and it is a email studio email service, the heart of the SFMC. And that is, there is many idea, but email services it is hard. Social media engagement. Today, any business cannot have a head. First, if you launch a business tomorrow, launch a business first. What you will do, definitely create a website. And next you will create an Instagram account, you will create a YouTube account, you will create a LinkedIn account, you will notice each and every websites. There is a footer section or any top corner section, you will be noticed some social icons, the social media engagement with your business, with your target audience. It is very important. And even you need to get your business feedback also. Hot customers is saying you are the owner of the business, you know that your business good, but people do not take the feedback of your product in the customers. You cannot improve what people are saying in the social media. That is very, very important. And to improve your product quality. Improve to reach your change your product due to time and more modifications also. Mobile messaging and push notification each and every day. We are getting many SMS. Today even mobile vendors, those are even they purchase, they are selling your data. Also how you are getting much SMS in your mobile every day. Even you have not connected with them. They are suddenly, you notice each and every day. If you are in job, you are going to get a custom loan related information for all private bank. They're chasing you for personal loan. Personal loan. How they're getting information from you? They've definitely some way that purchasing data, collecting data from mobile window, and that those that your data is been selling data is called money. Data is selling and that data is it. And it is very important tool, and it is a sending or message. Providing at the end in a business, it's a very, very urgent to analytics and prepare reports. Because your business is growing or scaling or it is a fall down. Things is it need to justify, in need to prepare reports, analytics. That is a very, very important. This is the area as SMC works. How is it going to help company understand their customers? Finally, end of the day, it is a business tool. Business is Salesforce. Marketing Cloud helps organization to understand their customers better. If you do not know in any business, first and foremost things, you need to know your audience. Who are your target audience? Which age group? Which gender? Which age group? Which ethnicity? Those are the primary things you need to understand before launching any products and before it is a business also. It provides a company's integrated solution for their customer journey management. If I track some customers, I need to find out where is my target. Customers are moving. Suppose I'm a trainer, I need to find out where I can get the students. Which are the media they are roaming. The things is that is the very, very important. We have mail personalization, advertising, content creation. Today you may be noticed in your mail, promotional mail. There are lots of graphical emails with image. You can get the mail. That is a very appealing content that customer can attract. That content creation and also provide short message analytics. It is a very, very important business. SMC makes customer interaction with company more effective and also enable them to improve their growth by reaching new audience. There are lots of tools inside it. Definitely we'll go inside. One of the key tool today we are going to start, that is Email Studio, and there are others area also. This is the first and foremost things we are going to familiar. After getting your access, this is the tool for you. Here we are going to familiarize the Email Studio, Mobile Studio, Social Studio, Advertising, Web Studio, Personalization, Analytics Builder. It generates the reports business in a business reports as a very valuable part. Journey Builder. Automation to the Journey Builder, Content Builder, Audience Builder, App Exchange Platform. This is the all of the sections and we will be started from here. Let us familiar with what is the location in this section that importance. The first is the email studio. Studio. It is a very important part of the Salesforce Marketing Cloud. You can say it is a heart of this entire what we are going to learn in coming sessions. It is used to build and spread personalized emails from basic newsletter to most complex campaigns. Email campaign is very important in any business. In mass mailing, there are lots of tools like MailChain, GetResponse. There is a lots of automatics only there, mailing tool. You can, because in your business you need to send a bulk email because of the bulk email and then to get to generate your leads. The things is SFMC inside it. It is one of the most efficient tool for email studio. It deliver promotional transactional trigger message and also track the optimize and performance. Next section. It is a mobile studio. This is a mobile studio. You notice it is a subsection mobile connect, mobile push and mobile connect. Mobile Studio, it uses mobile power communication to help marketers, digital marketers, deliver the content to the people at the time and support campaign development from start to finish. You can create, send, receive SMS, MS text message using Mobile Connect, send alerts and transactional messages to subscriber using templates and drag and drop. That is an automatically respond to incoming message and message keywords. Here it is a connection. Also, we need to integrate with the service provider and marketing tool. And again, it will connect in the service provider of the which your country, who are the service provider and need to connect. And it is a character limit. Each and every character also is a costly. That's the reason it is a short message. We send Social Marketing Cloud. Social Studio is a tool for managing, scheduling, tracking social media posts. Social media posts yesterday depict. It is a very important people around any business. You need to know which time your customers are present. If your target customers are very student, if your target customers are the agent person, if your target customers are the different age group or gender, you need to understand when there is ability. Many cases will be noticed. Those were the YouTubers. They publish their videos. You to upload videos generally evening time or late evening because expectation when people in the relaxed mode they will watch more videos. It is will be reached to more engagement. And also when will be in the morning open fast mobile they will be go check that. So social icons like the Facebook or YouTube or LinkedIn and then they will be noticed that first is their advertisement. This is the say we can make it automation, we can set the time. We can set the previous time which time your video or your message will be published and flashed in the social media. Those controls can possible to do using Social Studio in SFM tool. Next section, Content Builder. This is a section is Content Builder. Content Builder. What it is? Roll this Content Builder. Content Builder. It builds mails and other content that can use inside emails, SMS message, and landing pages. You will be use the email studio. You will be whatever the things make you use email or SMS or social media. First of all, you need to create a content. If it is a graphics content, you need a graphic designer. If it is a video content, you need a video editor to make your content and editing. And then there will be the text message. What are the message will be connect to the user also, and key order the facial keywords, color combinations. Your content builder, it is a content builder creates content which will be used email studio, and social media. Email studio, it builds state and send emails. Web studio, it builds and publish cloud pages. And cloud pages is a yesterday discussed. It is a small landing pages we create. That required information get published. Next is a journey builders. This is the section journey builders. This is the section called journey builders. What is the role for it? Journey will that marketers use. Journey will not create and manage a variety of responsive, automated multi-channel marketing campaigns, including welcome campaigns for new customer who subscribe opt-in and promotional campaign for new products, services, sales on special events. First things you could run a business. You have to understand where is your customers are moving. And in every product there is a notice. It do a survey. You have came to know this product through mouth of words, friends, recommendations, social media posting, or any it in a business need to get the survey. What is the way a customer reach to your destination? In that we need to create some setup automations to get the say customers movement. That section is a step as a journey builder in SFMC. Here, another section is called Automation Studio. Automation Studio makes Marketing Cloud email sense. Queries, imports, and more happen automatically. It is a today's time. It is not possible. Where your customers, you need to plan your customers. Email at the late evening. It is not required to, you need to without sacrificing your sleep. You are sitting to send that, we hit the click button to send your customers book MS. You can make your comfort time. You can make schedule. You can make schedule your emails. You can make everything. It is a possible to automate again. You may be required to send your customers to mail by weekly, monthly, or in a certain interval. Those are the automations. It makes Marketing Cloud application used to execute multi-step marketing data management activities and immediate or trigger or schedule basis. Immediate. Suppose I am clicking in a button and then I'm sending, or it is trigger. Trigger means it is after certain event. Suppose after certain events, suppose a social media equal notice influence of their sending some link their landing phase. The moment you will be clicked, then it will move to your payment phase. The moment you will be do the payment, after doing the payment, what will happen will be noticed. They will be move you automatically their hot subgroup. If tomorrow at any event or it will be moved to the automate you it is, The entire automation has been set up. It will move to your social media group's communications. Nobody are adding you one by one manually in their hotspot. Those automations and that business things is automation tool setup is possible for using Marketing Studio Automation Studio in SFMC. The automation using customization activities and will be going depth. This is the section is when you go in depth and details. Upcoming chapters will be able to familiar about the what is inside it. This is the overview of the all tools. We are going to be familiar. Analytics build that enables you to gain deep insight into the behavior and interest of the contacts across channels. It measures engagement performance of your. We are running a campaign for our business. First, if you do not understand whether this campaign is effective or not effective, because each and every word you have to spend money. Today, social media influencers, you will notice they're spending huge money through. If you open any YouTube video then, and then you will be noticed some advertisement videos are coming. It is an investment is there, but what is the ROI of this investment? What is the ROI? It would, because it is a moment you are watching the video advertisement in YouTube video. That is a campaign. It is someone. They're investing money for campaign. Finally, what is the output? What is the business gain? Those analytics build up studio. It's a do that activities. It collect the view of contact behaviors such as clicks, purchase. People already familiar with the Google Analytics. It captured lots of information. You go to the YouTube's account. You could go to YouTube. There is a section called Analytics, and in your Analytics you can get your engagement. You can even to track from which country, which location, which location and which gender, and every analysis who are your target customers. All of the data being captured when someone watching the video. Similarly, these things can do in marketing tool in this Builder Studio. Now, finally, we need to create a report. Marketing Cloud advertising helps you engage and advertise to your customers and prospects. You can use Marketing Cloud advertisement to coordinate entire campaign. To all of the things it should be connected and synchronization also. Connected campaign with social media, mobile sales and customer service report. Marketing Cloud advertising help you to enhance your email marketing goals with advertising. What are the benefits of the advertising studio? Engage with inactive customers through advertisement. Many cases even you have noticed in your television, it's a one same product. It is a repeatedly give the ads in a day 10 times or 5 times giving the same advertisement. What happened? Initially you may not have your attorney can avoid your attention. But when you are watching the repeatedly the product, and tomorrow when you are going to in a shopping mall, and also it's an influence, it's stimulating you because you are familiar with the product. It makes the family with the product. Repeatedly advertising any product, it creates an attention, it creates a stimulation. And finally it's done with customers. It engage with the inactive customers in an efficient manner. Again, it's a RIP, speed up your lead generation process. And by sending leads from the social handlers of the Salesforce and for more leads, Customers who exhibit their similar to those current high-value customers access data and through advertisement. Finally, we generate the leads. That has various Salesforce products such as Sales Cloud, Commerce Flow. We get the leads of the business. Next comes to the Web Studio Salesforce Marketing. Close to do, it is web-based marketing tool that allow business create and manage email marketing campaign, landing page and forms. It is a very common. If you go to any social influencer, they have created a single page landing page called single landing page, which gives the last lots of their testimonial customers who have got benefited and enter testimonial to attract, to provoke you. And finally, and you are the moment, you are getting excitement. You fill up the form, you fill up your name. Primary target is the email. Primary target is to collect your phone number, and then it go to your data, and then they bring you an event. Through event they try to do masterclass or event. They try to convince or visualize you what is the product benefits. Finally, a certain category of customers, they become that prospect, and prospect to become the customers. These are these initial landing page marketing campaigns, and the forms we can do using Web Studio and Cloud Pages, because these are all connected. Cloud Pages Marketing Cloud Pages to publish targeted marketing content customer across multiple channels. Cloud is a marketing cloud applications used to create and publish target marketing content to customer across multiple channels. It is a web small content and pages did by Marketing Cloud Pages tool. Personalization, yes, today everybody want to get paid earlier, even if you want to purchase some ornaments or beauty products. First of all, you want to feel it, you want to touch it, you want to feel it, you want to see those things. Even today's time, even if you purchase in any dress material, you can. There is a lots of options which they reach. There is any society, any Amazon or Flipkart. It gives the lots of options. Which color combination you will be, look how the things is. All combinations, when you can do more to reality, you can get a flavor. Also, before purchasing earlier, to purchase a card, you have to go to showroom, you have to charge. The heart of the products are in front of you. Now even you, before purchasing, before going to showroom, you can personalize, you can customize color combination, model choice, and everything you can do. This is the concept called personalization. With Marketing Cloud personalization, you can visualize, construct, can manage customer experience with real-time introduction management. Use the customer experience to drive valuable engagement. Definitely, it gives them much more audience engagement at the moment and just the way your audience prefers. Personalization. Enhance the power of the Marketing Cloud engagement with expanded real-time personalization. Personalization is a strategy that uses data to target and retarget part. The retarget means again a customer is a repeated customers. We can make repeated customer leads with a brand message that speaks directly to specific customer interest and demographics and buying behavior. It takes a check to purchase a tomorrow on product in Amazon or Flipkart, and tomorrow similar kind of even lots of it is a combination product will be showcased you that you can take the benefits from it and you can purchase more products. With a personalized marketing strategy, your customers should feel like the brand message was made just for them. Audience Builder Marketing Cloud. Audience Builder dynamically creates targeted audiences from contacts stored in your account based on the stored attributes and behavioral values. part of the data we have captured. Audience data is a customer data and it creates the marketing cloud. Audience Builder randomly creates the targeted audiences from the context stored in your account based and stored at the most variable value. Next, it is a large is quite a studio. It is quite a studio. What is quite a studio? What is to do allow you to quickly to run queries in the marketing cloud with a similar experience with SQL Server Studio and MySQL. Even we can figure out through where you can write some query. Those who are familiar with the SQL in any database general relation that I will use the SQL query to get the data, even to make join from the objects or tables. That's where we can do the filter out. Those things it is possible in Marketing Cloud. Last is the App Exchange. Finally, the word is your product. There are App Exchange. It is like a Play Store or using Google or iPhone. Similarly, App Salesforce, they use a Play Store that is called App Exchange, and App Exchange there is a lots of product, even targeted every company they have built up, which are free, which are paid, and we can directly integrate it with our SFMC tool to use it more better, efficient way. There are many ready tools and many free tools also there and paid tools also there. This is the overall cover up for yesterday's section. Today we want to start slowly. Our main section is called Email Studio. This is our primary things, Email Studio. Any questions after? I want to hear from you. Ankita, I just have one question. What's the difference between the Journey Builder and Automation Studio? Both helps in creating the triggers and the actions. Yes, we will go in the depth and it will be clear, and many of the tools are interconnected. The things you will notice when we have demonstrated all are well connected. It helps the Journey Builder. It's because finally you need to target your audience, because if your target audience is the students, if your target audience is the 40 to 50 years group, and finally it's a unit 2, you need to track their movement. You need to find, that's it. Time is called journey. Journey means why is your customers are moving. Understand? The thing is, a goal is track that, and then finally you have to bring your destination. You have to make them. Your customers are in a city, or even you need to bring the unit to attract them. That's the reason all tools are getting connected, and definitely we are going to in depth and will be getting much more individual tools there and how they're connected also. The first and foremost things, we are Email Studio. This section or not, some area you will be also, you can note down also. That is good for you, because otherwise, because you are first time you are working, first time you are listening, if I just demonstrate that, it will be not good. If you note it, it will be good for you also. Studio. This is the first thing that you will notice. There is a sense of this is when the moment access. You will notice it is just some information already inside it. When Salesforce Marketing Cloud comes with a lots of data source also, it is a sample data source in Salesforce. Even in people have any experience using Sales Cloud, it's a content, lots of objects. It is like accounts, contacts and leads. And it has a lots of pre-filled record in the objects also. Here it is, some data is already there. The first section is called Overview. Next, we are going to this content. It is a content. And we are going to start with the here subscribers. In a business, ultimate target is a subscriber. Subscriber here today, we are going to start here and we measure the time we spend here to understand each and everything. First is the what it is here from here on us. You can note down also, that will be good for you. You can note it. Email Studio. First things, what we have open now, it is a subscriber. What is this? We define subscriber. Who is called subscriber? Who is called subscriber in the business? Subscriber is a person who has given consent to get communication from the organizations. When you are going to get every day lots of mail in your mailbox in Gmail, but the things is, the moment you will be open that mail, you have a freedom to subscribe or you have a freedom to unsubscribe. But the things is, when the moment you are clicking on the subscribe, the moment you are going to be, you are giving your consent to the view. At the moment you are subscribing, it is your email is going to get stored to the business operation. What will happen next? You will get promotional mail. You will get the seasonal offers, promotional mail, discounts. All of the notification have happened. Is it clear to everybody who is called subscriber? I want to hear from all of you. Definition of the subscriber. Everybody please respond also. Yes, I'm good. We are going to get familiar with the tools, because if you work as a Salesforce Marketing Cloud professional, you have to familiar with all of the things setting up, because you will be a digital marketer and using this tool, you need to build an expertise in these tools. Now here first is a subscriber, you get the position. A subscriber has some unique things is called subscriber key. You notice here this subscriber key. It is unique, this subscriber. If you scroll it, is Ankit question here. Subscriber key is nothing but like an internal key or like ID in Salesforce. Yes, subscriber key, it is the moment will be created, it is a user input. It is a user input, but ID is inside it. Inside it, it will maintain an ID, which is related system automatically. There is a subscriber ID, which it is not showing here, but at every record, it maintains a unique ID, that's system. In Salesforce, whenever we create any record, and it creates an ID, ID is an object, it is a data type, ID, it is a Salesforce. It creates a created by system internally, but Kiwi, the moment we are creating, when we create the record, suppose I am creating here. You will notice here we can give as an input. Suppose an ID you are notice it is 6785. This is an ID. If we use this ID, will system allow? to give this. Now check this subscriber key. What it is showing, a subscriber with the subscriber key given already exists. We do like to view the subscriber properties. Things history it is already. This key is already exists. This key is already exists. You cannot use it again. You cannot use it again. This is the key. This key is already exists. You can note it subscribe. Sorry, can we start by a subscriber key, because otherwise we have to select, because it's not suggesting this key is already used. You can search by subscriber key. 6785, which key you are trying to, you can check it whether it is already exists or not. It is already exists. What is the last number they use? No, can't I see like the last key they used far from there. Like we can continue like if they're using 6785 is the last one, maybe we can 6786. Yes, you can check it. How do you have learned that subscriber key and subscriber ID written by system internally? And next is the all subscriber lists. All of you should note it also. All subscriber lists. What is the moment we are going to hear all subscriber lists? First we need to comment the all subscriber lists. All subscriber list, what it is? All subscriber list is a master list which contain all subscriber. Master list which contain all subscriber. Next we can create our own lists. That means one kind of custom and all, it is standard. Some when your marketing tools you are going to get a lots of data inside it. But for your business, your purpose, you will be create your my lists, your own customized list. What is your all subscriber list? It contains a master list which contain all subscribers. Can everybody note it, all these their points in your notebook and confirm it? Like we can get subscriber from list or from a data extension. All the yes, we will go into detection that is upcoming. We will discuss next session also. All the subscriber will be containing an all subscriber list, whether they are coming from list or data extension. Yes, what are the source? It is coming to the master. This is a master list. Here it contains all information. All subscriber list is a master list which contain all subscribers, whichever the source. What is the list in the Salesforce market? Then comes to the lists. we need to familiarize the lists. Here we are calling the lists. This is a list. What it is lists? What is the definition of it? List in the Salesforce Marketing Cloud list of the default method of storing data in Marketing Cloud Email Studio. List. It is a using list which represent a collection of subscriber. You can segment your audience and set different attribute for each. You can create a different segment. You can create a multiple lists. These attributes are used to store subscriber status on a given list. You can note down the points. Everybody, please note down this. It is a summary. In the list all subscriber is a master list. Before going to use the tool, we need to familiarize the background of each and every area. All subscribers is a master list. List attribute are limited. What it is a system attribute? It is a system attribute. It is a predefined. List is used. Why list is used? List is used for newsletter to create newsletter alerts, message coupons, and list is a small group of user. List is a small group of user. List you can import and export, only support .csv file. Using list data we can import or export using .csv file. Attributes cannot be in lists. Attributes cannot be changed. So, list attributes cannot be changed. List attributes cannot be changed or manipulated. Here for the predefined we need to use it, we cannot change. List content maximum 5 lakh subscriber. At least it contains 5 lakh subscriber max. That is a limitation of the lists. Everybody, please note this point and gradually will be progress. It will be much more clear. Can you repeat your question? No, you mentioned in the PPT like 5 lakh subscribers. Is it only for that single list or like for the single list? Its content 5 lakhs max data. Single max? Thank you. It's a 5 lakhs subscriber data. This is, you can push 5 lakhs. If you need more, there is a data extension. Thank you. How to create this is a list. We want to create a list. Even I am facing some challenge anyway. Here we can create the first new folder. At last we need to write, suppose external key, it will be auto-generated. Click on save. It created a list, but if you go inside it, it does not have any data at this moment. What we can do inside lists, there is a properties. What is that? Properties is external, ID automated generated. There is a subscribers. At present, subscriber count is 0. Tracking. It is all data. It is just a new list has been created. Now we can create. Here manually we are creating subscribers. We are creating, suppose here these are the all properties. And click on finish. If you notice, it has been created a subscriber. We have created manually a subscriber. This is subscriber email address. Active status subscriber key. I have it is user input, created date, added date. These are the all data. All columns are here. This is the first things what we have done today. We have created email studio. Inside email studio, we have gone to subscriber. We have familiar to all subscriber, which contains all of the data subscriber lists. But we have learned to create a list, but we have created our own lists, and we have created inside that list, we have created one subscriber manually. This is the entire journey is clear to all of you for any query here. What is that? We will go slow. All of you are doing first time. No, hurry up, you should note down, and next day we will go for. This is a subscriber we have done. Next we will be moved to how we can do data extension. These are all of the sections measured. It is email. Studio is the heart of the SMM. We will go in detail step by step. We can end session here today. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.